Hi, it's Ines. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm in my apron again, which means I'm going to do a food product review today. I did my first one a few weeks ago. If you haven't seen it, I'll link the video down below, or you can hit the I button here as well. And yesterday I went ahead and bought another Campbell's product. It's the buffalo chicken slow cooker sauce right here. Alright, let's see if it will turn out as good as the sesame sauce. All you need for this one is 6 skinless boneless chicken breasts or 12 skinless boneless chicken thighs. So 2 to 2.5 pounds. So we've got that. It's very simple, but the only thing is it cooks in 3 to 4 hours or 6 to 7 hours on low. So I've got the chicken here. Looking at the steps, it's really easy. First, place chicken into slow cooker, pour sauce over chicken. All right, let's do it. Alright, chicken went in. Now the sauce. Oh, this looks like a paste. I'm gonna make sure all the sauce goes in. Smells good. Okay, all in. All right, let's close the lid. Step number 2, on high 3 to 4 hours or until chicken is fork tender. All right, let's just do 3 hours. Slow cook, on high, 3 hours. All right, that's it. Really? Okay. Alright, while it's cooking, let's take a look at the nutrition facts. So the serving size is a 1/4 cup. This contains about 5, calories 60, total fat 3, sugar is 3, protein is 2, so not bad. This actually isn't very sweet, and it's actually medium spicy on the package. Okay, now I can just go ahead and do whatever until it's ready. All right, it's been 3 hours. Let's take a look at our chicken. Look at this. It's for sure very juicy. Okay, let's take it out. Alright, last step, shred chicken and mix with sauce. Serve on your favorite roll. I hope it's tender enough to just shred with 2 forks. Yes, indeed, very, very easy to pull them apart. I smell a lot of pepper. The bell peppers. I think it's gonna be a very good spicy dish. Okay. Really easy to shred. Alright, let me just add in more sauce before we taste it. Ooh. It's definitely a lot of sauce. I can see it can go well with pasta or rice, maybe even a tortilla. All right, let's dig in. It tastes really good. Oh, our master judge is here again. It tastes really good, but the spicy level is not medium. At least to me, it's not medium because it's actually very mild. And if you guys really like spicy food, this is not spicy at all. And yeah, for other than that, it tastes great. I think this is a really good thing to buy to cook if you have guests over, and you can show off your cooking skills just by using this sauce. And it takes very little effort as well. You just put the chicken in the slow cooker, just leave it, and then you can do something else. And this is not as quick as the chicken sesame skillet sauce, but this is convenient too. It's just you need to plan ahead. All right, so yeah, that's it. All right, I hope you like my food review this time, and please leave a comment down below and let me know if you would like me to do more of this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit the bell button as well so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All right, I will see you in my next one. Bye.